Okay, fourth graders, I would like to show you how to download the spelling test and the math test that you are going to need on Monday. So here we go. You are going to go into your mail on your iPad. So you're going to click down on the bottom right here. You are going to find an email from me. So this one happens to be, I sent it to myself so I could show you. It says, watch this how-to video about downloading the spelling and math test. So I will have this video right here for you to watch. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go down to tap to download on the bottom. So let's do the spelling one first. You're going to go ahead and click on there. I'll say PDF. You're going to open it up. Way up at the top right, you're going to see a box with an arrow. So go ahead and click that. You're going to hit Save to Files. All right, so we are going to name this folder. So way up at the top, do you see this little folder with a plus? So we're just going to type in spelling. So then we know where it is. Spelling, and then hit done. So now you should see spelling. All right, so item will be saved to spelling on my iPad. So then we're going to make sure spelling is highlighted. Then we're just going to hit save. Excellent. So now we're going to hit done. And let's do the same thing for the math, but this time we don't want it to go into the math or spelling folder. We want it to go into the math. Oops, sorry about that. Just here is the math down on the bottom. So I clicked on that. Let's do the same thing. Save to files. Now I already created a math folder and that is highlighted, so I can go ahead and just hit save. You'll see math test and that's highlighted, so we're just going to hit save. So now that is in your math folder. So in case we need to add other things to our folder, we'll have those. So we can go ahead and click out of mail. And if I go down on the way bottom, right by my mail, there should be a folder icon. So we're going to click there. Ooh, let's take, because I have something else in there. So mine has a couple more things, but here's your math test. Here's your spelling test. So on Monday, you're going to be taking a spelling test with me. You're going to want to open that up when it's time for us to meet. And you can either use your Logitech crayon or you can use your finger to go ahead and write your words. So for instance, if I were to take this, I'm going to go up to the top right. See that little pencil? And I don't have a Logitech crayon on me right now, so I'm just going to choose this. And let's say the word was happy. So I'm going to go ahead and write the word happy. And you would do that for all the words that I'm going to give you. And then once we're all done, you're going to hit done. All right. So this is how you're going to email it to me. Actually, I think I might be able to go back in there. Yep. So once we're done, you're just going to hit this box in the top right corner. See where it says mail? You're going to want to mail it back to me. So J. Woolley, and my name should come up. There I am. And it's in the subject line, says spelling test. So we're just going to hit the arrow going up. And I'm going to show you that that is indeed in my mailbox for me to correct. So I'm going to go down to my mail. This is for me, but I just wanted to show you that it is in there. There it is. And then I've got your work to go ahead and take a look at. So as far as the math goes, let's just scooch out of here. I'm going to go into my folders. So when you're ready to take your math test, you're going to click on there. I'm going to find the math test. So remember, at the top right, you're going to want to click that. It kind of looks like a paint or a pen. So you can go ahead and solve the problems below. Remember to show your work, line those numbers up. So once you go ahead and answer the problem and show all your work, okay, you're going to want to hit, well, we don't even have to hit done. You can send it straight to me from that box. And then hit mail. Remember, go ahead and put my email address in there. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to delete my draft for right now. So anyway, that is how you do that. So now if I hit done, it will be saved the way it is. So definitely hit done first before you email it to me. This is new for me too, but hopefully this works for you, boys and girls. Your assignment for Monday is you are going to be meeting with me in small group to take that spelling test. I already sent you an email about that. And you are to be taking that math test on your own and emailing it back to me. Okay, well, hopefully we, if you have any questions, make sure you email me, boys and girls, okay? And we'll go from there.